Hey guys, Justin here, coming at you with the Great Ohio Lodges, and I found the crown jewel of birding. Look at these guys, look at them. They are into it out here. We are at Maumee Bay State Park and Lodge today, and we're out on the Wetlands Boardwalk. I'm here with Evie and John. Hi guys.
Hi, how are you?
And Evie, why don't you tell me a little bit about your group, what y'all do, and why you're here?
We are here obviously because there's birds here and because we're a great group of friends that happen to love birding, and this is a great facility to get together from Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. We've been doing it for 27 years.
Wow, 27 years.
Yep, and so it's been loads of fun.
And is Maumee Bay like the crown jewel of birding? I mean, is this the place to come?
In May, it is the place to come if you want to see warblers and migrating birds and people who love birds and people who are outdoor lovers. It's a great place to be outside and enjoying it together with friends.
Oh, nice. And John, you were telling me a little bit about the group itself, and this group is, how should I put it, experienced? Is that the best word? Tell me some of the people that are in your group.
It is a group of mostly retired folks who've spent their entire career teaching people about nature, either through Parks Department work, Nature Center work, working as professional naturalists in state parks and other parks around the country, and so mostly from Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. And so the length of experience is beyond belief here. Hundreds of years of nature study and education and birding and everything else.
So you guys are the ones you need to come to if you need to identify that rare bird you see out in the wild, right?
We might pass on that, but you know, it's still a fun place and there's lots of experts out here. And you know, it is really nice because there's a range of choices between the cabins and the lodge and the campground. So there's really lots of good opportunities for people to get comfortable and then get outside.
And you were saying that you guys have stayed in both the cabins and the lodge, and you really love our cottages, right?
We do.
Yeah. And out of curiosity, when you're out here on Maumee Bay, what are some of the bird species that you're really searching for, the hard to find ones?
Ooh, hard to find. Well, Kirtland's warbler probably is the bird that what, yellowhead? Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you're looking for? Yeah, absolutely. Did you see me get excited? Yeah, yellow-headed blackbird's another. I mean, there's all kinds, but what, 28 species of warblers that we can find, and some of them you only see once a year here.
Oh,
so
nice.
You know, Connecticut warbler, Kirtland's warbler, mourning warbler, you know, things like that.
Okay, and is anybody here a fan of the birds of prey?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? All right, because I just did a birds of prey exhibition at Mohican State Park, so that I found to be really cool.
Awesome.
Well, and so how long are you guys here?
You know, if I can too, one of the things you don't want to forget, it's not just all the warblers and vireos and orchard orioles and everything else. The wetland birds, the shorebirds, the egrets, the herons. It's an amazing mixture of a lot of different varieties of birds that you just don't find very many other places.
And the egrets, I know, basically live here in this little area and come out every single night. And have they been here for a long time?
That's probably a change that we've seen.
Yeah,
Really?
I think so.
Yeah. I mean, when we've been doing this 26, 27 years, and there were always egrets here, but now the number of the great egrets has just gone through the roof. Yeah, their population's really increased.
And that's a good thing, right?
That's a good thing.
Good thing,
At least if you love to look at beautiful white birds, it's a good thing. And also the woodpeckers. The woodpeckers have really increased as well. Downy woodpeckers, hairy woodpeckers. Red-headed woodpeckers are great here. Nice, big, colorful, showy bird, and that's fun to see.
And are y'all like everybody else? You're not a fan of the red winged blackbirds?
There's a lot of them.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, and they're also like kind of they attack and stuff like that. So
yeah, they do their thing. That's what they do.
I'm learning here. I'm learning. So well, I want to thank Evie and John and this group who is into what they're doing over there. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me. I've learned a lot in just the 10 minutes that I've been with these guys, so it's been an experience, and I look forward to coming to this year after year, and who knows, maybe 27 years from now somebody will be interviewing me about it. So, but thank y'all so much. And again, what was you don't really have an official group name, right?
We don't.
They're just awesome.
After 27 years, we should work on that.
Next year when I interview you, you'll have your
We'll
group
have a name.
So,
Yeah.
well, thank y'all so much, and I will check back with y'all next time. I'm Justin with the Great Ohio Lodges. Say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.